We're starting right now, okay, bud? Our first one is a bird, but not the bird I want. First word.
I'm gonna find it.
Yeah, but not right now, because that is reserved for me.
I would like
Yay! That's not happening.
I like how I went from having 76 to 76.
From what to what?
From 76 to 76.
I'm asking you, how many did you want?
Got my weekly reward. Gave me 20 Pokeballs and 10
Was it a
Pokeballs.
Snorlax?
What? Not that week.
Oh.
Talking about like the kilometers that you walked this week. Even with my arm and knee.
What page are you on for Shaman? I saw on page 1. Just connect your auto catcher to your phone and then on your way home it's being like,
Also, I'm bringing
phone.
more maybe person.
Bro, mine's on me at almost all times. Almost. Yeah, so you do. Yeah, it was good. It was better than that. That's just low. Oh, nice. That's an imposter, I tell you.
Oh my god.
It sucks. Could have been a Mundo. Why do I have Asian great balls?
They're a good middle ground.
Nah. I mainly use Pokeballs.
I have recently become a champion of Pokemon Pokemon Crystals.
Okay.
My level, I caught a bikini on the weekend, and the entire weekend I destroyed. It went from being a level 10 to a level 38 dragon. And the early games didn't have Grind. My bikini in the front and then swap it for a stronger Pokemon. No, I just sent it out. Died a couple of times and won a couple of times. He was thundering going into the Elite Four, but then I learned agility.
So it could be
Dragon
speedy.
Rage and Dragon Stress. I wanted to learn a new Dragon Rage.
How about Dragon Rush?
Dragon Dance would be a very amazing move for the
Holy! No! No!
Come on!
No!
You be the first one!
No! No! You missed.
No! That's the first time this has happened for me. Jesus is ridiculous. Stay down there.
Why? I gotta do something different. No, come back down. Don't come back down.
Attack him. Attack him with all your might.
Don't attack him.
Please.
You missed completely.
Oh, yes, we did.
No. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay they didn't catch it. Bro, what is that exclamation point? Like, no. Bro, you were freaking me out. I was like, ain't no way you found me.
And it was what I wanted.
It's like, it's gonna be okay. I would be very sad. I haven't found one in a long time.
I had fun with it. All my good things about it.
That's two. Two more.
You don't understand the pain. I thought it was $4.
No, it's just three. But ain't no way just gonna glaring on it, you know, out in the blue.
Oh, how much
You got two chances.
excellent curveball through it, man. So
Bro.
I was like, I'm going to chance. I can't do it. Excellent curveball with the
But yeah, better chance of catching me when you can't hit the excellent. That's saying something. That's saying something.
Oh my god.
What? I don't know that. Watch it run from you.
If it runs for me, that's going to be something going. It probably will.
Why do you know he's all too well?
Because for the same reason why I just did it right now. Excellent curveball, bro.
I remember there was this one time when you found me and you didn't have any awful balls on you. No shot. You just eat? You just had Pokeballs? Imagine you caught it though. That
It
was
was the same CP as the first one that I found. It was the first one that I found. It was 2014.
If I do have it, I don't have it with me anymore since I switched phones.
You haven't backed up your
I forgot to.
Oh, I don't know. I should put it somewhere.
But watch me find another low CP glowing bird and I catch it.
Oh, nice.
And it was Wizard Beast too. That's playing in with surrounding.
Good moments when I found the shiny. I love that. You know,
I'm afraid to ask this question, but I'm gonna ask it anyway. How is your catch combo coming along finding you? Yeah, okay, yeah.
It was very close to it. I guess we got a little weak. There might be another one though, actually. I think I've caught one before that one.
Also, those are just a distraction to stop you from using your diligences.
Yeah, I don't think I'm a fighter.
Watch it actually spawn.
If it does spawn, then I just wasted time. It's gonna be fucking ridiculous. No, it was not.
You found two glowing birds. Caesar found one and caught it. By some miracle.
I don't think so. It's not.
Hey, I was
Imagine we didn't do it. Though. I would eat up a total of $10.
I gave him $5 for catching that. I was like, if you catch this Galarian Zapdos, I'll give you $5. And he caught it. Hey, I had a high chance of
The
starting.
only one.
Yep, that's it.
And I found it so many times. I extra good. That's my favorite one of the berries. I've extra curveball thrown with Ultra Ball and Golden Raspberry and it's just
Bro, I just screw
with
Extra.
those
I just throw
odds,
it.
around a 12% chance that it didn't even get a win.
So you're telling me there's a chance.
30% chance.
Hey, 30 is better than 0. Hey, that's luck. That was I like to summon hard.
Hugo was very lucky. Is he gonna hit it when it has to be like good or no? I just extra curveball.
Let's see. I'm thinking. I think he may have great curves. They're either great or nice there. I don't think he has an one.
When you miss out on it, it's like, oh,
Bro, there's only 3 minutes left. Off this daily incense. Nice. I found the fighting type. What? Bro, I'm waiting for. And now that I think about it, I have like 3 Giracinas in my Pokemon Home account and a Zapdos. No, it's a Zapdos from. Bro, if it was a Galarian Zapdos, I would have $15. No, it's a Zapdos from the Let's Go. That was the first one I caught. And now that I think about it, I've caught all of them on 2 Moltres. Yes and no. So like, here's what happened. On my like on the first account, I completed the game, but then on like my most recent account, I was like, hey, I'm gonna replay it. Yeah, I played it once. I didn't catch Mewtwo though, because look, here's what happened. I was playing the game. My dad's phone was ringing. He was like, "Go bring me my phone." And this was in the middle when I was catching the Mewtwo. I didn't know there was a timer. And then I was acting, I was stronger, and then I was going back, and then it says the Mewtwo ran. So then I crashed my game to try and do it. But it ended up auto-saving at the end. I don't even know how to turn off auto-save my most recent. I'm gonna catch Moltres, then I'm gonna catch Mewtwo. Oh yeah, you missed. Cough, cough. Look, whoever uses this recording now knows that Purple Cliff was not the person to do the signing, it was you. But let's not be honest, that was in the watch. Yeah, 15. Alright, and that's That's time.
Time.
You came down good in my command. I'm sad. Oh well. That's life.
Well, I probably have 5